We have 2 ears and one mouth so that we can listen twice as much as we speak. The key is to keep company only with people who uplift you, whose presence calls forth your best. There is only one way to happiness, and that is to cease worrying about things which are beyond the power of our will. People are not disturbed by things, but by the view they take of them. The greater the difficulty, the more glory in surmounting it. Skillful pilots gain their reputation from storms and tempests. No man is free who is not a master of himself. He is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. First, say to yourself what you would be, and then do what you have to do. Make the best use of what is in your power and take the rest as it happens. First, learn the meaning of what you say and then speak. If evil be spoken of you and it be true, correct yourself. If it be a lie, laugh at it. Keep silence for most part and speak only when you must, and then briefly. Difficulties are things that show a person what they are. Neither should a ship rely on one small anchor, nor should life rest on a single hope. No great thing is created suddenly. Practice yourself for heaven's sake in little things, and then proceed to greater things. Silence is safer than speech. One that desires to excel should endeavor in those things that are in themselves most excellent.